this video, I'll talk about sharing in Google Docs. Sharing in Google Docs lets you collaborate on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations and drawings with other people in real time. It also prevents you from ever having to send an email attachment again. You can share your docs with as few or as many people as you like. It's all completely under your control. You can assign a visibility option to a document and share with people in just one step. What's the benefit of that? Google Docs enables multiple people in different locations to collaborate simultaneously on the same doc from any computer with internet access. It doesn't matter where they are, they can work together on a document. You can set visibility from a document to private, anyone with the link, or public on the web. All documents start out as private. If we come back to my home page, you'll see that Web Resources is not marked as shared, even though, for example, this untitled form is shared. So coming back to the Web Resources, this does not have any privacy settings set. It's completely just mine stored in the cloud. When you create a private doc, you're the only person with access to it. From there, you can give access to other people. Anyone trying to access the document will have to sign into their Google account to verify that they have access to the doc. Private is the best settings for your private documents, like a list of contacts or a resume. It's also a good setting if you want to collaborate with a small circle of people. For example, you and a friend or family member could work together on a private letter or on your taxes. A document set to anyone with the link is like an unlisted phone number. Let's go have a look at this. If I click share, I can change the setting for this document. So right now it's private. If I move it to anyone with the link, again, it's like an unlisted phone number. Another person can only view it if they have the exact URL of the doc or the file. If you also select the Allow Anyone to Edit option, anyone with a URL will also be able to edit your document. So, for example, can edit. That means now anyone who has the link can come see the document and make changes to that document. They don't have to sign into their Google account. They just need the link. So you could see anonymous edits in your document. Anyone with the link is a great setting if you want to give easy access to information to a lot of different people, as long as the contents of the doc aren't sensitive. A teacher sharing a document with a class, a student sharing a document with a group they're working on a project with, any of that kind of thing. You can turn that off, by the way. You can change, even if I save this, and now there's the link, I could give that to anybody, and I'm done. Now you see the icon here has changed. That means anyone with a link. If I come back to this, I can change it and just set it back to private. And now it's only me. So I can withdraw permission at any time. Setting a doc to public on the web, clicking share and then clicking change, means anyone on the internet can find the document. It is publicly available. It can show up in search results. Anyone who finds the web address of the doc can access it. If you also select allow anyone to comment or allow anyone to edit down here in the access menu, then anyone who finds the document will also be able to view, comment, and edit your document. It's probably not very commonly the way you'll want to set it. Public on the web can be really useful if you're trying to get the word out about something, if you're creating a flyer for a concert. A public document, save it as a link on your blog, give it to your friends, push it out as far as you can. Okay? So let's look at some of the other, again, let me cancel out of this and look at sharing a document. Begin at the blue share button. And I'm going to change this and say anyone with a link. And I'm going to say they can comment and click save. And then I can copy that link so that I can send it, or I can just send it out on social media sites. Notice that the comment stream is now available so that people can collaborate and talk about what they want. I haven't, of course, got any comment streams, but it is there. Okay. It is important as you work with sharing your documents that you're careful about this. You want to make sure that your private document stays private. If you set it to private, make sure your documents are protected by a strong password. Make sure you understand the implications of the sharing icons you're making. I just did want to show you one last way to share a document, and that's just to email it directly. So let me email this to myself at my school account. And I could say can edit, can comment, or can view. I'll choose can comment. And now if I want to add a message, here is the doc. And I could choose to paste the item itself into the email or send a copy to myself. I'm just going to share and save. And click done. And there's my email arriving right away with and I'll just click on it to open it and show you what I get. And here's web resources in an email. Go get it. Okay, so that's Google Docs sharing in a nutshell. Again, share as public on the web, share as anyone with the link, share as private, and then you can set visibility to can edit, can view, and can comment. Those are the three options, and it's important to understand how they work together.